Hey y'all, in today's video I decided to go through my sketchbook and get one of my drawings and put it on Procreate. Now I'm not a pro when it comes to Procreate, so we're gonna try this out. As you can see, I already did the outline of it in my first video. I did Procreate for the first time, but I was on a iPad 6 and now I've been blessed with an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil. And this is not me being boastful, I'm just wanting you guys to let you know that I got me a new iPad. I'm just showing you guys a quick little unboxing, and if you want to see how my drawing turns out, you gotta continue watching. And by the way, my name's Daisy. Welcome to my channel. As I look at my drawing, I can tell there's a lot I need to work on, but I wanted to get in Procreate and try it out because I never added color in my sketchbook, so this will be the first time I ever add any color to it. And I think this is a game changer because it helps you like look at it and see like what you have to work on. So I'm glad I did this. But as you can see, my struggles of me trying to figure out what's this and that, and what are the things I need to be doing. So I decided to keep it up here because I was like, you know what, it is what it is. Okay, you will see this drawing getting changed a lot of times throughout this video. Only because I realized as you sketch and then you put your sketch into Procreate or any kind of program and you basically draw it and like add color to it, it looks weird because that sketch doesn't have any kind of like detail to it, which, well, this one doesn't, because this one is like my fifth. I'll show you guys my sketchbook soon. It's probably the next video or the video if I decide to put that video out or not. But as I noticed that when you're sketching, if you're not adding like detail to that sketch, because a sketch is a sketch, you're doing it quick, just sketching. But when that sketch turns into a drawing, you get more into the details, you get more into like how you want your drawing to look. So this sketch didn't have a lot of detail because I was just learning how to sketch. Like, I didn't know how to sketch. I didn't know how to like basically draw, from like the paper technique of that drawing. So I didn't know how to do that. So that was kind of different for me. I couldn't go back and like, things that you do when you go on digital art. When you're doing digital drawing, it's not the same when you're sketching in a sketchbook. So it's so different. But the point is that I had to learn what was looking odd and what was looking out of place to me, because there was a lot that I noticed that was looking out of place because I changed her hair. Now maybe if I didn't change her hair, maybe it would have been cool, but at the same time her eyes look too big for me. As you can see, the shoulder looks crazy and it just didn't look right. The arm looked crazy, and I noticed that as I was putting the color to it. And I was like, you know what, she don't look too hot. And I had to figure out what can I do to her to get her together. as I'm drawing on this iPad Pro, I can tell the difference from the iPad 6, and I really actually love it. And once again, I do not have that paper light, and I don't know if I'm going to get that because I heard it does wear out your Apple Pencil a lot, and I don't know if I want that, you know. And still drawing on the iPad, the glass, it's not that bad, only because I have my drawing glove on. I feel like if I didn't have my drawing glove on, it would be very like annoying, but it's not because I got my drawing glove on, and so I can easily move like I want to with my pencil without any problems. As I've been upgraded to a different iPad, finding it easy to find like the ways to move around and Procreate more now, and I kind of like it. And I like that I can be able to take my tablet anywhere I want to go, just like I take my sketchbook anywhere I want to go when I want to sketch or draw. So if you haven't seen my video of me on Procreate for the first time, I'll leave it right here so you guys can go check it out. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I pray that you have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.